Hey, what you guys got?
Look up our big fish.
Look at that fish. Wow.
Put your thumb in there like Daddy has it. Put your thumb in his mouth. And give him a kiss.
A fish kiss.
Wanna hold on to him?
I do.
Hold him tight.
That's
That's a big, look at the belly on this thing. It's got a big old belly on it. Look at his mouth. Don't put your fingers in there. It'll hurt him. Should we put him back in the water?
Yeah.
All right. Want to help me?
Yeah.
Come here. Right here. Ready? Watch him swim away.